Hi there, I'm Miles Peterson, and you're watching The 3D Engineer. And unfortunately, about a week ago from the release of this video, if I'm not mistaken, around there, uh, Thomas Deiner, a very famous and well-known siren enthusiast in the community, is no longer with us. He unfortunately passed in a car accident. That's really all we know. Those are all the details I know. But yeah, he's a really great part of the community. He has shaped this community so much. He's a great and well-known man. He has done so much on the internet over the years. So I'm going to be doing a memorial sound-off of a trio of my Federal Signal Sirens to honor him. This is my Federal Signal SD10, my Model 2T, and my Model 5T, all Federal Signal Sirens, because I know Thomas Deiner was a really great fan of these things. You may know him on YouTube as FS Thunderbolt Fan 1000T. Yeah, it's unfortunate. He's no longer with us anymore, so this is just the least I can do. We're gonna sound off these sirens, and we're gonna honor him, and yeah, that's just the least I can do. So let's not get downbeat. This video does not have to be negative in any sort of way. It is just my way of showing honor to Thomas Deiner. This is for you. Alright, now we can get the sounding off. I would just like to mention quickly, though, that Thomas Deiner has been on YouTube since 2011. He's just done so much for us. He's a real OG siren enthusiast, and, well, this is for you. That's all I can say. This is to remember just how amazing and great a man Thomas was. This is for you, Thomas Deiner. May you rest in peace. There you go. Well, looks like that's all. I'm Miles Peterson, and you guys stay creative.